Good morning. Welcome back and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations. And today we're talking about the Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal for 2026. This is not a new idea, but new for our group. And it's brought a lot of people to the group, which is very exciting for me. I love making new friends in this hobby. And my niece, Kimberly Wittes, is the one who posted the "Are you interested in doing this?" post. And of course, we had a great response from that. So thank you, Kimberly, for suggesting it for our group. And we have a full group of Canadian girls that are going to do it. So each person sends a journal along on January 15th. And then everyone should have them within about 2 weeks. And then they have from there until the middle of February to decorate a couple pages, and then they send that book along to the next person, and so on and so on and so on. Sharon will send to Kimberly every time. You send to the same person every time. So what I was thinking I would do for my shipping is an extra small postage box, which is $21.46 Canadian, including tax. And that gives you, I've got the sizes here, 22.5 by 15.5 by 7.62 centimeters of space. So my journal will fit in there, plus I can send other goodies. And that's what I intend to do. If you want to package yours smaller and you can send it for less than $20, that's fine too. That's up to you. The only thing that I ask is that you keep doing it every month, because one person stopping will kill the whole thing for the group that they're in. So that's the only thing. If you're going to do this, please keep it up. I pulled out some different journals that you could use. There's also a video by Marie-France Boudet, who made her journal and did a video of it to show us what she's going to do. So I'll link that below and you can watch that video. But the other thing is, if you have never made a journal before, you can use a pre-made journal and we can just decorate the pages of that journal. I've got a couple of examples. This one was my mom's, so I've had that for over a decade. She's been gone for a decade. This one's from the Dollar Tree. You could use, what do you call those notebooks? Composition book. You could use one of those from the dollar store. You could use any kind of blank spiral notebook. You could make your notebook. So I've just pulled out a couple notebooks that I've made, or junk journals that I've made, where it's basically blank pages. So as long as there's at least a couple of pages, maybe even in this case, it could be just one page because these pages are big. At least one page for each person to decorate. A paper bag journal is also a good idea because it can be small. This is a smaller paper bag journal. Where I've got some decoration on the front, but inside it's blank pages. So each person could decorate a couple pages. You can paper clip, these are your pages, and put their name on it. You can do whatever you want as far as giving them instructions for what you'd like them to do in your journal. And if you do a paper bag journal, you have the option of passing along goodies to be used in the journal or to be kept, and they can add to it and send it on to the next person. So paper bag is a good idea. Marie-France put an envelope in hers to send goodies along with. So there's lots of different ways it can be done. There's no rules as far as that goes. The only rule that we have is just don't flake on us. We're all out here investing in this, and we'd really like to keep it going so that we end up getting our journal back in December next year. So every month around the 15th, I'm going to, or probably just before the 15th, I will post a reminder that it's time to get your journals ready to send along. And I'd like everyone to respond to that, just so that everybody that's in your group knows that you're participating and that it's going on. The other thing that has been suggested, and I reasoned it through a little bit with Kimberly, and Frances, Felicia Martin, and I were talking about it too, about having a group chat for each group. And I will include myself in each of those group chats just so I can see what's going on. And that way you guys can talk to each other about what's going on with it. And then I think if we all just stay in touch, it'll work a little bit smoother. So I will be setting those up as soon as I have all the groups made. I don't think I want to mess with these groups, although this group isn't complete yet. So I'll go ahead and set up these group chats. And if you want to participate in this with us, please comment down below, and I will direct you back to the Facebook group where Kimberly's post is how we're keeping track of the participants. So it'll go in order that you comment in the Facebook group. But yeah, so you can sign up to be a subscriber here on YouTube if you're not already, and then join the Facebook group. It is a private group. We do have a birthday and address list in the files section, and I will add you to that with your permission, of course. And yeah, so it should be a lot of fun, and I hope to get a couple more groups going, especially at least one more so I can include the lady from the UK. She could go in here if any of you are willing to ship to the UK. Maybe check out the cost based on the size of the book that you're going to do. But remember, each month it could be a different size because you'll have someone else's journal to ship every month. So I hope that's enough information. I think I've covered all the points. I kept doing the video and forgetting to mention the group chats. So I think the idea of a group chat, I've always found them hard to follow, but Frances pointed out a couple of things to me that it just would be good to form even a closer knit fellowship with the group that you're in and keep everyone on track and answer each other's questions. So that's what we're going to do, and I hope that everyone enjoys it. Only rule is don't flake on us. That's all we ask. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most of all, have a great day, happy crafting, happy journaling, and welcome to the Sisterhood.